Hi guys, it's Nick from Townsville Marine, here to talk to you today about the Flagship 450 destroyer. The Flagship destroyer range is exclusive to Townsville Marine, and they are designed for the way that we fish right here in North Queensland. Let's take a look. You guys know by now, if you see this sticker, it means it is good to go fishing. We can have you ready in just 2 hours. The Flagship destroyer 450 side console. It comes standard with the electric bow mount plate. These are built tough. They have fully welded side decks, 6 rod holders along the gunnels, it has a 50-litre underfloor fuel tank, which will keep you going all day. Twin steps at the rear, powered by a very fuel efficient, reliable, powerful Yamaha 60 horsepower. We have them fit with the bimini. You need shade here in Queensland. Garmin 9-inch sounder, Yamaha gauge, fuel gauge, quality seats, and a plumbed live bait tank. You have a 3rd seat base at the front there on the casting deck. You have a storage hatch here that has a drain in it. Large storage hatch at the front. There is plenty of storage on this boat. Checker plate so you don't slip. Whether you're fishing in the estuaries, you're out around the islands, this is a very versatile boat. And the best thing about it is it is built right here in Queensland in the Gold Coast. They are a premium Australian build quality. As I mentioned, this is a good to go fishing package. You come in, you hook it up, you tow it away, you pay for it. It is that easy. Come in and see us at Townsville Marine, 943 Ingham Road, Bohle, or visit our website, townsvillemarine.com.au. And you can also give me a call on 0411 176 873.